Hello and good morning. This is Devasis Mohanty once again welcoming you to our Standard 8 Linear Equation in One Variable discussion. So in the last days we have already done the question number 1 to 5. So now we will do the question from the 6 onwards. Okay. So first question it is question number 6. It is three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these? Three consecutive integers add up to 51. It means the sum of three consecutive integers, their sum it is equal to 51. Consecutive means if 1, 2, 3 are the consecutive integers, 2, 3, 4 are the consecutive integers. Consecutive integers means if one number it is 1, another number we can get by adding 1 with the previous integer, and another one also we can get by adding 1 with the previous integer. Otherwise directly we can say if this number it is given, one number it is one consecutive, first consecutive it is +1, another one it is also we can say it as the +2, directly we can write. Otherwise if this one it is, if the first integer it is x, then after we can take it as the x +1, another one it is our x +2. Consecutive integer means between them the difference it is 1. Suppose we are taking the smallest integer it is x, then after the another integer it is our x +1 and another one it is our x +2. Suppose one will take, if middle one it is x and before one it is x -1, another one it is x +1, also in this way also one can consider, also one can solve also in that way also. Also if one interested to take the greatest integer it is x, then after previous one it is x -1, then after the previous one it is your x -2. In this way also one can solve also. It does not mean that there it is a single way to solve this type of question. So your integer, consecutive integer means suppose the smallest one we are taking it as the x, then after we can take it as the x +1, another one it is our x +2. So here it is given that the sum of three consecutive integers it is equal to 51. So for which we can formulate the equation it as x plus x +1 plus x +2 it is equal to 51. So total number of how many x are there? 1, 2, 3. So for which their sum it is equal to 3x plus 3 is equal to 51. So it means 3x is equal to 51 minus 3, which is equal to 3x is equal to 48. It implies on solving it becomes x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 means smallest one I have already got, that was 16. Then after the rest two integers, so first one it is x, we got it as the 16, so x +1 it will be our 17 and x +2 it is our 18. So the three consecutive integers whose sum is equal to 51 are 16, 17, 18. Understood or not understood? Then after another question it is there, the question number 7. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the three consecutive multiples. Actually multiples of 8, it means 8 into something, 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4. 8 it is multiplied with any of the other integer. Whatever the product we will get, that product it is called as our multiples of 8. So it means normally one can take, suppose one of the multiples it is 8x. Suppose one of the multiples it is 8x. Remember, from one multiples to another multiples, the difference it is 8. Suppose it is 1, 8, another multiples of 8 is 8 plus 8 equal to 16. 16, then after another one it is 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Understood or not understood? So it means one can take the first multiples of 8, it is our 8x. Another one can take it as the 8x plus 8. Another one can take it as the 8x plus 16. Multiples of 8 means 8, 8 gap. One it is 8x, another one it is 8x plus 8, another one it is 8x plus 16. So the sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So the equation becomes 8x plus 8x plus 8 plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 888. So it means the sum of 3 80x, 8x plus 8x plus 8x is equal to 24x plus 24 is equal to 888. So we want x, so for which 24x is equal to 888 minus 24, which is equal to 864. It implies 24x is equal to 864. On solving, x equal to 864 divided by 24, which is equal to 36. But we do not want the x. Actually, we want the 3 consecutive multiples of 8. It means 8x, 8x plus 8, 8x plus 16. Okay, so here I got it as the x is equal to 36. So 8x is equal to 8 into 36, which is equal to 288. First multiples ready. Second multiples, it is our 8x plus 8, which is equal to 288 plus 8, which is equal to 296. Understood or not understood? Then after another last multiples, it is 8x plus 16 is equal to 304. Whenever we are putting the value of x is equal to 36, we got it as the 8x plus 16 is equal to 304. So the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 whose sum is 888 are 288, 296 and 304. This question also can be done in the another way. Instead of taking 8x directly, we can say that suppose the multiples of 8 it is x. Suppose x is 1 multiples of 8. So the 3 consecutive multiples are x, then another multiples of 8, it will be divided by 8. So x, then after x plus 8, then after x plus 16. In this way, x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888. On solving, it gives 3x plus 24 is equal to 888. It implies 3x is equal to 888 minus 24, which gives us 864. It implies x is equal to 864 divided by 3, which gives us 288. It means first multiples of 8 is 288. Another multiples of 8 is x plus 8. X plus 8 means 288 plus 8, which is equal to 296. And the next multiples of 8 is 288 plus 16, which gives us 304. So the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 are 288, 296 and 304, whose sum is 888. So in both the ways you can solve this question. Okay. Question number 8, it is given 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in the increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. So find the numbers. So 3 consecutive integers means one it is x, suppose we are taking, another one it is x plus 1, another one it is our x plus 2. So also they are in the increasing order, smaller one it is x, then after it is our x plus 1, then after it is our x plus 2. So whenever they are respectively multiplied by 2, 3, 4, it means 2 it is multiplied with x, 3 it is multiplied with x plus 1 and 4 it is multiplied with x plus 2, and after multiplication their sum it gives us 74. It means the equation is 2 into x plus 3 whole into x plus 1 plus 4 whole into x plus 2 is equal to 74. On opening the bracket, it becomes 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8, it gives us 74. So the sum of all the variable terms, 4x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 9x plus 11, 8 plus 3 equal to 11 is equal to 74. 9x plus 11 it is equal to 74. So 9x equal to 74 minus 11, which gives us 63. It implies x it is our 9, x it is our 7. But what it is asked, you have to find out the 3 consecutive integers. So the integer, one integer x, I got it as the 7. Another integer I choose it as the x plus 1. So if whenever x equal to 7, x plus 1 it is equal to 8, and x plus 2 it is x plus 2 it is our 9. So the 3 consecutive integers are 7, 8 and 9. Understood or not understood? Okay. Then after question number 9 we will do. Okay. Question number 9, it is our age related question. This type of question maximally you will face in the competitive exam. Also in the Olympiad exam also many of the times you will face. Okay. Age of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio of 5:7. Ratio given. Rahul and Harun, their ratio of their ages is 5:7. 4 years later, means after 4 years, the sum of their age will be 56. So what are their present ages? So from the first we are going, age of Rahul and Harun, it is in the ratio of 5:7. 5:7, it does not mean that the age of Rahul is 5 and age of the Harun it is 7. 5:7 means 5 parts and this one it is 7 parts of a same number. Suppose the same number, my head is x. So it means Rahul age is 5x, 5 times of x, and Harun's age is 7 times of the x. So present age of the Rahul is 5x, present age of the Harun is 7x. It is given that after 4 years, their age sum of their age, it will be our 56. So it means Rahul's present age is 5x. So after 4 years, the age of the Rahul will be 5x plus 4. Present age of the Harun is 7x. So 4 years after, the age of the Harun is 7x plus 4. So after 4 years, the age of the Rahul is 5x plus 4 and age of the Harun is 7x plus 4. So after 4 years, their sum of the age of the Rahul and Harun, it will be 56. It means 5x plus 4, Rahul's age after 4 years, plus 7x plus 4. It means Harun's age after 4 years is equal to 56. On solving, we will get 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x plus constant 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 56. So it implies 12x is equal to 56 minus 8 is equal to 48, which says 12x is equal to 48. So it implies x equal to 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. But we don't want the x. Actually, we want the age of Rahul and Harun, present age. So present age of Rahul and Harun, we have chosen it as the 5x and 7x. Whatever the x we got, by using the x, we have to get the Rahul age by putting the value on the 5x. So age of the Rahul, it is 5x. So 5x means 5 into 4, which is equal to 20, and Harun's present age, it is our 7x, which is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Hence, the present age of Rahul and Harun's are 20 years and 28 years respectively. Okay, so you have to do the question number 6 to 9 in your CW copy. Anywhere, any problem, any difficulties, so you can contact to me. Okay, don't think that whatever the ways I just suggested, it is the only one way it is there. So many ways it is there. Okay, so you can use your own mind to formulate your own structure. Understood or not understood? Anywhere, any problem, you just have to contact to me. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.